Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of TechTube, and in this video I am going to show you how to chat with bot in Crunchyroll. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Before you get confused, let me tell you the bot is not fun or chat bot of any kind, but the support bot of Crunchyroll. In order to chat with the bot, just simply open your Crunchyroll application at first and it will open this home page of Crunchyroll. Now into here you just simply have to tap into this account section at first, and after coming to the account section just scroll down to all the way bottom and go to the support page and click to need help. And after clicking into the need help, it will lead you to the web of crunchyroll.com. And after going into the web, you just simply have to click into this icon at here, and after clicking into there, now you can chat with Crunchyroll virtual assistants, means Crunchyroll's chatbot. Just simply chat with the bot and solve your issues very easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.